This is Clovis with UNR's Technology LLC. Today I want to help you on downloading Eclipse. Eclipse is what we use to code with Java. It's pretty much what we call an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. There are many like NetBeans, but in this tutorial we want to be using Eclipse. You just need to go on Google, type Eclipse, and you're gonna see this option up like download Eclipse technology. You click on that and you just follow. This is the icon for Eclipse. You click and then you do download, and once you download it, just keep following the instruction. You open it and it's gonna open the installer, and you click on the installer, and then it's gonna be checking, and you just need to keep doing it. I already have Eclipse, so that I don't need to install it one more time. But if I click open, you can see the installer is running, and then it's gonna after following some steps, it's gonna run Eclipse. So we're gonna use this one, Eclipse ID for Java developer. So we click this and then we go install, and it's gonna be installing it. Alright, in the few moments it's gonna install it. It's taking a little bit while. I don't really want to install it twice because I already have it here. You can see this is how Eclipse looks like. You can see it's like Eclipse Workplace Space, whatever name of the projects I'm creating. So this is how you install Eclipse. So that's it. And you can launch it. And you can see here, launch it. You see it's asking me to exit the old version, so now you can just click on continue, and then it's gonna launch Eclipse. So let's exit it because I don't need it. Because I have my old version already. That's it. Have a nice day.